All right, so I can't reach it. So he's trying to give the goldfish to his friend. And his friend says, I can't reach it. And this word reach, that's like when you're stretching out your arms, reach. But let's see if we can find some trying to touch. It's like trying to touch something, but it's too far. Let's see what happens if we look for the picture of reach. So these are trying to reach each other. They're trying to touch, but it's not easy. Let's see if we can find another reach. So I guess you can think of reach as trying to touch something, attempting to touch something. Okay, there are no more good pictures here. So let's just go back to the story. Okay. Whoops. Here we are. Alrighty. So let's see, I can't reach it. So he's trying to touch it, but he can't. This requires some deep thought. Let's see. So let's make a sentence with reach. Dinky, that's the boy in the tree or in the house. Dinky can reach the goldfish. He can move his arms like this and touch. Dinky can reach the goldfish. How will you make a yes/no question with that sentence? He can reach the goldfish. He can reach the goldfish. Can he reach? Can he reach? Can he reach the goldfish? Can he reach the goldfish? Let's answer no to that question. No, he cannot. No, he can't. No, he can't. No, he can't reach the goldfish. No, he can't reach the goldfish. Let's make another sentence. Dinky can reach his friend Brainy. Let's make a yes/no question with that sentence. Dinky can reach his friend Brainy. Can Dinky reach? Can he reach? Can he reach his friend? Can he reach his? Can he reach his friend? Can he reach his friend? Can he reach him? 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 And let's answer no with that question. No, he cannot. No, he can't. No, he can't. No, he can't reach him. No, he can't reach him. No, he can't reach him. Okay, let's move on.